Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the location of a vehicle battery in 2017 Chevy Traverse. This is gonna be the same location if you own Chevy Traverse, GMC Acadia or Buick Enclave made from 2009 and all the way up to 2017. Vehicle battery on this vehicle is located in the second row, right in the floor. So to access that, you will have to first remove a floor mat if you have it. Then, just for the easier access, you will want to push this seat all the way back. So you can do that right like this. So this one is already all the way back. And also you want to pull the front passenger seat all the way to the front, just like that. And now we see this cover, and yeah, right under this cover is your vehicle battery. And to remove that, first you will have to remove this plastic piece. So to do that, you just want to come underneath it and lift it up. Yeah, see from which side is the best. Okay, so this corner works the best. Kind of pull it up and then everything else should go much easier. So you want to remove this completely so you have better access to remove this cover. And to remove this cover, first you'll have to undo this Torx bolt. This is Torx number 20, and for that I'm gonna be using this little torque bit. So I want to turn it counterclockwise. It was not very tight to begin with, so all right. See if I can remove it now. There we go. This is how it looks like. So you need to use Torx bit number 20. Alright, and now you can just pull this up and remove it. And right there you have access to your battery. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.